Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reset to factory settings on your Asus laptop. Make sure to watch the video till the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. This can also work on multiple other laptops such as Dell, Lenovo, and any other Windows operating system. All you have to do is to go to the bottom left section where you can see the Windows sign, and then from here you're going to just search for factory settings. And you can see reset this PC is connected to factory settings. Once you click on it, then you can see this page, recovery, advanced startup, and then from here learn how to fresh with clean install Windows. So all you have to do is to click on restart now, and this was going to show you to this page right here. Once you get treated to this page, click on troubleshoot right here. Once you click on troubleshoot, it's going to show you these options. Click on advanced options. Once you click on advanced options, it's going to show you if you would like to reset this PC, then click on it. And then from here, it's going to give you two options, either keep my files or remove everything. And that's pretty much it. If you would like to clean fresh, then you can just click on remove everything. If you say you want to keep my files, then you can choose to either upload it to the cloud or keep it locally. And that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.